Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation where we are going to focus on clearing what is stopping us today. So if you have any particular things that are blocking you or stopping you from achieving goals that you just don't think can ever really happen, let's clear them away today and see how our week goes. So we begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer, go into a quick guided meditation. After we're in the silent period for a while, I end it with a little chime so you know I'm going to speak again, and we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. The best way to take a deep breath and relax is to first exhale all your breath. Now take a deep breath in and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Now invite your body to relax. Simply say, relax. It's safe. I'm calm. And invite yourself to let go. And quickly scan your body, starting from your head, and look for any tightness. Tightness in your jaw, tightness in your shoulders. Just bring your attention to that point and invite your body to relax. Scanning all the way down. Don't forget your fingers and your toes. Pay attention to your joints. Invite anything to relax that feels a little tight or off. Now let's bring our attention to the top of our head and our forehead, where our third eye is. You'll find there is a slight sensation there because that is where the energy from the divine always moves into our bodies. It's always flowing in. It never ends. When we bring our attention to it, we can feel it and experience it more fully. Let's follow this energy as it flows into our head and at our feet. And notice how our body reacts to this energy when we bring our attention to it. Let us feel it filling our heads. And notice how we're being divided. We're distinguishing our body from our emotions, from our spirit. There are three parts of us: mind, body, and spirit. We're sort of untangling the emotional, the spiritual, and the physical as we move down into our neck, our chest, our trunk, arms and hands. It's like we're unbraiding. We're connected, but we're noticing the distinct differences that are all part of us. The three parts that make us up as we move into our legs, our knees and feet. They're like three big energy poles running through us. They're flexible and moving, each representing our physical, one representing our mental, and one representing our spiritual. Let us look to the mental and notice, is there anything in that energy that is being blocked, that is disturbed? Let's just travel down that one piece of us. Let's again start from the top and sort of go down this tunnel that is specific for the emotional mental body. And bring along this angelic cloth that you find in your right hand. And let's just start clearing the tube, cleaning it, wiping it out. If there's any smudges, even a little fingerprint somewhere, let's just wipe it out. And let's travel from the top all the way down in silence as we look for any interruptions to this perfect energy and gently wipe it away with this beautiful angelic cloth that has been handed to us. Now let's release that rag, that perfect angelic cloth that was handed to us. Just release it and let it finish flowing down and out your feet, picking up anything that needs to be cleared that you might have missed. And let's allow our energies to start forming back together again, from our feet up to our head, like they're braiding themselves into one again, as we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest the table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. All right, guys, have a blessed and great day. And that's it. I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.